In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error 0x800ccc0f in 1 minute. Let's dive right in. First, if you're already in the classic version of Outlook, you're in the right place to get started. Our first task is to navigate through the Outlook interface to tackle this error swiftly. Head over to the File menu that's typically located at the top left corner and of your Outlook window. Once you're there, look for the Account Settings option. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down list appear. Click on Account Settings from this list again, and a new window will open up showing all the email accounts configured in your Outlook. Now, in this list, you'll want to find the email address that is giving you trouble. Select that email account to highlight it. Once selected, look up and find the Remove option. Click on it, and a confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Click Yes to remove the account temporarily from your Outlook. Don't worry, this is a safe step and you won't lose your emails. Next, without closing any windows, let's re-add the email account to your Outlook. You'll need to click the New button in the same Account Settings window where we just were. Now, type in the email address you just removed. Once you've entered it, look for the Connect button and click on it. Outlook will automatically configure the account settings for you, and you should be able to connect to your email account seamlessly. If you find that the problem persists even after this, don't worry, there's one more thing we can try, which involves compacting the PST file. The PST file is essentially a data file where Outlook stores your emails, calendar events, and more. Over time, this file can become bloated and might cause errors. To compact the PST file, again select your email address from the list in the Account Settings window. Next, find and click the Change button. A new window will open up. Here, click More Settings and then switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you see Outlook Data File Settings. Click on it and you'll notice an option that says Compact Now. Go ahead and click on Compact. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of your data file, but it is usually pretty quick. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Outlook error 0x800ccc0f swiftly and get back to accessing your emails without any hitches. Give these a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to subscribe for more quick tech fixes in your day-to-day digital life.